Yes, as the common saying of wonderful people, music is the greatest and is still one of the greatest things that brings wonderful people together. Today I have a wonderful guest in my show, a Nigerian fast rising superstar, Youngvik. Youngvik is a very good friend of mine. We've been doing wonderful things in the industry for a while now, but today he is our wonderful guest on Olamond TV. So how you guys just stay calm as I bring Youngvik to your screen. Youngvik, what's up?
Yeah, I'm fine.
So
man.
what was it growing up like?
It's cool, man. It wasn't easy. It was tough, somehow. Yeah, it was just to get the you understand.
So in my research, I realized that you are one of the most strongest upcoming artists in Nigeria, and that brought me to you to have a wonderful interview with you. So how was it growing up in terms of your family, the first child, second child? How's it like?
Yeah, it's beautiful. Thank God for my family. Thank God for my family. Yeah, growing up wasn't easy, I'm from a family of 5.
Okay.
My mom, my dad, I have a middle brother, I have a younger sister. I'm like the middleman.
Like the middleman?
Yeah, and I'm the second son.
So did any of your parents support you when you were starting music? Which of them? Daddy, mommy, or the both of them?
At first, they were like, hey guy, you need to face your book. I even started from drawing. I was trying to draw, I like art so much.
You love to draw?
Yeah, I love art so much. So I was, trying to draw. But they're like, stop. But, it's just like art was not the real thing. The real thing was the music. So when the music came out of me, they were like, there was no way stopping this guy. Like, they just had to support.
So they gave you the support from childhood to date?
Yeah, started supporting.
So, a lot of people in the Nigerian industry, anytime we ask them what brings the vibes in them to make them become a wonderful artist. For you, Youngvik, how does music started for you? When did it start for you?
Music is, I used to say music is me. I'm music. In the sense that everything around me just really inspires me to do music. So I think the music is actually deep down inside of me. I just
desire to do music. When you were growing up, were you in the choir?
No, I've never been in the choir before.
Because there's some artists that will say, yes, I used to be a choir, I sing in my church. From there,
mine is different, man. Mine is different. I've never been in the choir before. I don't know why. I've never been in the choir. I even preferred, I was even once in the church usher group than to be in the choir, you understand? So I was even more of a usher guy than the choir. So choir, man, I don't know.
So the gift of music just come as a spirit and came to you and you started doing the stuff.
I've been doing music since I actually remember, so I think I woke up to realize I'm a musician. Like that's it.
Just slept and you woke up.
Yeah, man. Let me just literally like that.
What's your hobby?
Man, music is my hobby. Let me just start from there.
Swimming.
Yeah, music is my hobby. Let me start from there.
Okay.
Then I like playing football. I like playing games.
Okay.
I like playing football. I like playing games. What a game. I just think that's it, man. I'm not good. I don't
play games.
I like playing games.
Do music. Those
I like to read too.
I
love to read. Yeah, I like to read. Yeah, I really like to read.
All right, Youngvik. I know starting up a musical career, mostly globally, be in Nigeria, be anywhere in the country, is not always easy for upcoming artists.
At all, man.
So, what could be that most challenging aspect in your career that you can remember? Anytime you remember that, you're like, is that me that faced these challenges?
It's not man. A whole lot of things, man. I just can't list them out. But let me just pick a few. I think let me just start from the random one that most people used to face.
Okay.
But it's random already. But I think the financial thing was not crazy. It was crazy, man. It wasn't easy. But apart from the financial thing, you got to understand that people started saying that, this guy. Let's just play as if we can help.
Wait.
And they begin to dupe.
Have you ever been to an event and you're like, please, I want to perform here?
Bro, I was even coming to that, man. I was coming to that.
Okay.
When you go to an event, you be like, sometimes if now them call you, you understand? Now them call you as you just reach there. You I've given my CD to a DJ before, and he flinged it, he threw it outside. I felt bad, but I felt like, man, okay. This guy don't throw my CD, and he threw it inside the pool, so it was I couldn't just go to it. People were even like, guy. Some artists were like, let this guy come over, coach Jai, but I still went to him like, guy, what's up? Don't worry about the CD, just give me beats. Make I just
to show your talent.
Let it see me now. You don't know that my destiny help I live for this guy.
Wow.
So, but I think was challenging and it was sweet. It's an adventure for me. Like for today now, I can actually say.
Thank God you have the experience right now.
Yeah.
At least. So Youngvik, what can you say about the Nigerian music industry when to compare it to Western music industry? Check and balance. Are we improving or are we still having some challenges? And if probably have the challenges, how can we solve the challenges? Because you are the superstar.
Amen.
No, not amen. The one is watching. Everybody's watching on TV.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Amen.
The latest vibe I had before coming down for this interview really made me to feel so happy. So wow, this guy produced wonderful music. So how do you grade Nigerian musical industry compared to other countries?
You know, it's a great question to ask. But I think the answer is also visible to everybody.
Okay.
You know, Americans are Americans. We are Africans.
Good.
You know, Americans, they're older.
Okay.
In the general aspect, they're older than Nigeria.
Okay.
But Nigeria actually been improving a lot of things.
Wow.
So I'll post them. Yeah, don't try, man. You know.
Now, Youngvik.
Okay.
Is there any artist that chill.
Listen now.
Is there any artist, I mean female artist that you are presently having a crush upon? Is there?
Female artist? Thank God you said presently. Like man, presently I don't think there's any of them that's my mate. All of them they are mine.
So you can crush on them.
No, I don't do that kind of thing. No.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you don't crush on any of them.
I like them all, but I don't know. We don't crush on them.
You know we are still trending. You know.
Yeah.
The issue of still. It's not about it's not about hate anymore.
Yeah, it's true.
Now.
It's true.
So
it's true,
you don't have anybody that you are kind of say.
No man, look, I don't really get it, but they're pretty. Tiwa Savage is beautiful. She's
so you
nice.
can't mention the name.
No, I'm gonna mention them. Just
okay.
Tiwa Savage is pretty, man.
So
maybe
maybe
if she was my age, maybe I would have crushed. But
do you have any latest song or song you are working on? That's
man,
because your fans out there were like, this guy is coming to the world and we want him to come in the world big.
Yeah.
So is there any song you're working on presently?
Yeah, I'm working a couple of songs.
Okay.
A couple of them. Just let me just keep it posted a little while.
Okay.
Yeah.
So any month from now,
yeah. But I think let me just taste this vibe, man. Taste the vibe, man. I think make them taste this vibe small. I don't know. You could say I go be. Just a little.
Okay.
Just a little. I feel the girl them.
Wow.
She's an angel, you know. She's an angel. Young B.I.K.K. Made but can't tell. Would you like that? Girl, for your sake, me go do a migrate. Straight into your honey pot, me go do a dissect. Unbelievable, I'm the one for dive inside it. Yeah, me coming right back. Ooh, yeah, me, girl, why you wind up? You say so sweet that you're bump there. Yo, what is it you've done to me? You've got my heart, give back to me. I don't even know you want it.
Wow.
Me don't care what your body say. Ooh, them I get. Tap it to get it.
So anyway, from now, this wonderful sound is going to
many more. It might not even be this, but I'm just many more. I've been working on so many, so we just when it's time to put out, we'll put out the best.
So where should we be seeing Youngvik in a couple of years time? Where should we be seeing you?
To God be the glory and to the glory of God and with the grace of God, man. I'm coming out big, me I no come play, so get ready, man. Get ready. I'm going out there. I'm going for that Grammy. I'm going for more. Yeah, I'm going to make a record. I'm going to make history. I'm going to make histories. I'm going to break records. I'm going to make records. Yeah, I'm coming for a big time, so just watch out.
Yes, yo. I hope you all enjoy the wonderful TV show going live with Olamond Naija Eagle Swings. Now, I want to all you guys to just keep watching us, keep following us on social media platform. Follow me myself at official Olamond Naija. And for those of you that want to go on advert placement on this TV show, you can contact 07067443348 and just pick me up on Instagram handle and on Facebook, Prince Olamond Naija. I'm going to see you next time. Keep watching. Go live with Olamond Naija. And my name still remains that Olamond Naija. Thank you very much.